like you have a personal issue with me. Like you want the troll person. I dislike when chickens get involved in lion fights. You know, not everybody is normal. So I will assume your sense of reasoning skipped your head when you were writing the stuff. Very war girl like this. It appears you have a lot to say to me. When you and your, in quotes, other fake life celebrities play your games, I live in my reality and I justify my being by being who I am. Listen, I define myself 100 times clear in a way that chickens like you can never do. Girl, I state what I want the way I want it. Because say I like money, they pepper you for body. I mean, you feel like saying those small boys so they follow up and down for eye fitness. Those small boys so they touch your body or your free a content. If you know say your hand they type nonsense, anytime when you see my posts pass for that your full Instagram page, everything where they there, sum them up. Come my page, sum them up. May we see which person page get what pass now. Which one first? This one? You get money. You get money now. You want to use petty online jobs. Finish yourself with your very what? Very ugly. Why you gonna pepper you see another girl say she wants money? Sure, let me tell you, may you war. Or may you not get anything to offer aside your 2 front teeth. Come, if you let me invest for you, know like him, you know too like him. Is it not insane that with all the years you've spent in the industry, you are the one that is still writing this nonsense? Anyways, what was I expecting from a local champion like you? What would you have me do? Not like money? There are other girls in the industry that when I see them, I dey throw away and give them. You go not say this girl na baller. Say money day, no be cap. There are 2 types of girls in this world. They are bosses and they are pick-me's. Pick-me's do everything to please people, men especially. And I, Saida, is obviously not that. Because I am a boss, it doesn't matter what you think. See, I beg, if girls won't follow me talk, maybe girls will get level. You where I big pass, one can they throw shades. You dey Chris? For everywhere I big pass you. My mind, big pass your own. My front, big pass your own. Even though I know still big past your own. Try apply respect when talking to your elders. All these girls where rats don't chop their front hair, they can get busy body before you be like person we get mouth odor. You won't use me from savage mama. I don't tell you. She said nah, no curse you. I just come to you woman to animal. Before they say I no get respect for Asians looking women. Mind that your ugly shape of mouth and your muscular hands. I no find your trouble, no find my trouble. I am Saida and the internet is an open market. Keep your wawa opinion to your wawa self. Hey, any week why I say I want peace, una go just carry una misfortune and unfortunate life come my path. If you like poverty, say so. I like money and I said it loud and clear. I mean crystal clear. Go kiss any nearest transformer. The one where they close to your house so may you know to trek.